Hey. How y'all doing? How you doing? Thanks for joining. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Get Paid with Candrea. Hopefully y'all can hear this music I'm playing into YouTube. This is not on me. If you can, please don't get me for copyright. I cannot control the music where I'm at, my location right now. So moving on. So I'm so excited to have you here with me today on this channel. Let me tell you, I'll be sharing various reviews about digital marketing, lots of digital marketing tips, and other life tips, whether it's the best ways to invest and make money, travel. My goal is just to provide you with some sustainable and affordable solutions that positively impact the community, our customers, uh, employees, just the environment. Okay. um, my goal, we strive to lead the way in innovative and responsible business practices, and just to create a better future for generations to come. All right. So again, our commitment is to excellence and social responsibility. That's really the heart of everything that we do. All right. So get paid with Candrea. I'm really passionate about self improvement and business. And I can't wait to share my knowledge and my experiences with you as we grow in 2023. And I believe that our marketing systems can really be a flexible way to earn income by promoting products that you love or that align with your interests and your values. Okay, so whether you're a beginner or you're an expert, I really believe there's always something new to learn and discover, right? And I want to create a community of like-minded individuals who share that same belief. Okay, so whether you're here to learn something new or just, maybe be entertained or simply just connect with others who may share your interests, this channel is for you. Okay, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. All right. And so today, if you have any suggestions, I want to make mention. I do like taking into consideration suggestions or ideas for content. So please let me know in the comments below. All right. So I love hearing from my viewers, and I'm always looking for ways to improve. All right. And I really hope you can hear me because switching up my stuff so y'all can hear me with my mics and stuff. So thank you for joining me today, and I really hope to see you in my next video. All right. Attention all entrepreneurs. Now, attention to all the entrepreneurs and online influencers. Are you looking for a new way to earn money and promote a product that you believe in? Look no further. We are excited. I'm really excited to announce our affiliate program. If I haven't already, let me announce it again. You have the opportunity to earn commission while promoting our all-natural detox tea. Okay? As a member of our affiliate program, one thing you will receive is a unique referral link that you can share with your audience through your website, right? You can share it on social media, any other platform that you choose, okay? Whether you got a website, every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission on the sale. It's that simple, And so it's this all natural detox tea. It's a really highly sought after product. And with our growing customer base, there's no limit to how much you can earn as an affiliate, guys, okay? Plus, with our high converting website and engaging marketing materials, you'll have all the tools that you need to be successful. You just have to be consistent and be willing to grow, okay? So what are you waiting for? Like, I'm serious. Join our affiliate program today, and you can start earning money while you're promoting a product that is so you and your audience will love this product, okay? With our competitive commission rates, it's a no-brainer. Sign up today and take advantage of this opportunity, okay? Stop watching, sign up, and hop on board. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. I gotta go. I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you found it informative, entertaining. Well, it wasn't very entertaining, but very thought-provoking. Listen, your support means the world to me, okay? And I appreciate every view, every like, every comment, okay? So we, again, strive to provide high quality and engaging videos on a regular basis, covering a wide range of topics and interests. So if you haven't already, I want to encourage you again to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases, okay? Coming up shortly. I value your feedback again, so please feel free to leave me a message, a comment, suggestions. If you want to join You can contact me for a consultation. Someone will get back to you within 72 hours. And I'd like to see you in my future videos. And if you found this content helpful, you know someone who wants a chance to make some extra money, if it doesn't interfere with what they're currently doing, please share this with your friends or your family. This is a very lucrative opportunity, okay? So once again, thank you for being a part of this community. I look forward to continuing to bring you more content. And I do want to connect with you in the comments, so go ahead and leave me one. Stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh my gosh, it's still going.